Well, I'm surprised. Pero, ako, kinakabahan.
Pero excited ka to meet yung stars ng NBA din, boss.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, you see him on TV. Siguro, baka starstruck lang ako.
Pero you think you can bring your A game against them?
I'm not gonna try and, try to beat them, but, pero we're just gonna be out there and have fun and, show the fans, a great show.
About yung bago ninyo import, how would you assess him sa first two practices?
Well, kadarating niya lang kahapon, okay naman siya. He's a slasher, meron din siya shooting. Passer rin siya, pero, he's more of a quickness type of player. He could help us out dahil mahilig rin siya tumakbo eh. So, we're a run and gun team. Hopefully, makatulong siya sa pagdating sa ganyan.
Pero you think, sir, he's in the same league as Curtis Stinson?
Well, magkaiba sila eh. Si Curtis Stinson talaga, mautak siya eh. Ito, talagang alam mo bata siya. Pero, mabilis siya. Dating niya talaga, pang-import talaga siya. Ibig sabihin, dahil si Curtis mautak na player eh. He could pass, rebound, ito talaga makakamo sa puntos. At saka depensa.
Hindi kaya magkagulo kayo niyan, sir, dahil ang daming scorer ng Ginebra?
Wala, hindi naman. Depende na rin sa coach kung anong gagawin nila. Hopefully, wag naman masyadong bigyan ng masyadong play para sa kanya dahil nung wala naman kami import, mas maganda yung pinakita namin or more of a team yung nawala si Curtis. So, yun lang inaan namin dahil wag kaming masyadong umasa sa import. Dahil meron naman mga local na kaya maglaro eh. And I think the past 2 games, we've been averaging siguro mga almost 30 assists a game.
JJ Helterbrand, his game is coming back. Anong masasabi mo doon, sir?
Hope he's coming back. Sana naman just keep praying na wag nang bumalik yung injury na. Onting conditioning na lang. I think he'll be alright. He looks good naman in practice.
So how did you feel, sir, playing alongside JJ again?
Well, sa totoo lang, medyo parang parang nawala yung pressure sa akin. Hindi ko sabihin dahil nandiyan si JJ, marunong siyang, he talks with me in the court and off the court. It makes it easier, for the whole team with JJ in there.
Yes, sir. Number 2 ngayon yung Barangay Ginebra. Do you think magtutuloy-tuloy ito?
Well, wala namang meaning yun eh. So, sana makadating lang ng semis and, hopefully, we'll go up again. We'll go to the championship again and, yun nga, sana talk and text para makabawi naman kami.
Ang dami mong fans na parang tinutulak mo talagang sana raw, pinapanalangin na ikaw maging MVP. Ano masasabi mo sa kanila?
No, wala na. I don't know how many times you asked me this, pero yung MVP, wala na talaga sa akin yun. Wala, miski kahit naman stats yung iyaan mo sa kanya. Hindi naman decision ng mga fans yan o mga decision talaga ng mga ibang tao na gusto na kung sino maging MVP, mag-best player of the conference. Walang control, kahit sino. Ang may control dyan, yung may mga tao dyan na
the media.
Sinong gusto nila.
The media.
That's what it is. And that's how it is. It's been like that for many years. So I don't know, nadami ko nadidinig. Pero, that's, wala problema yan. It's been like that. So, I guess just keep it that way, right?
Message po, sir, sa fans sa Barangay Ginebra.
Message to Barangay Ginebra fans. As you keep watching us and, malapit na rin bumalik yung the Fast and the Furious, yung Fast medyo bumibilis na rin. And, we got a new import. It'll be an exciting game and hope you guys watch it.